Some seeds grow best when you sow them straight into the soil. Today, I will show you how I plant carrots, beetroot, radish, fenugreek, and garden cress right here in my square foot garden. Namaskaram! This is Srideep and welcome back to Blossom Your Way, where we focus on growing what matters in your garden, your home, and your life. If you're starting a garden, there are a couple of ways to get your plants going. You can sow seeds yourself, or you can buy seedlings from a garden center. I prefer to use seeds wherever possible because store-bought seedlings can sometimes introduce pests or diseases into the garden. But if you're a first-time gardener, do whatever feels easiest for you. The most important thing is to get started and enjoy the process. When I plan on direct seed sowing, I always start by watering the bed before sowing. This ensures the soil is evenly moist so the seeds settle in nicely and don't get washed away when you water later. If you'd like to see how I prepare and mix the soil in my raised beds before planting, I have linked that here for you. In my square foot garden, I use a planting template to space the holes evenly. It's not essential, but it's been very useful for me. Proper spacing avoids overcrowding and helps each plant reach its full size. And I believe it allows you to then sow without oversowing, especially in small gardens. For carrots, beetroot and radish, I drop about 2 seeds into each hole at the depth recommended on the seed packet. This gives me a backup if one seed doesn't germinate, and I can thin them later if needed. And of course, it also helps me save my seeds from the critters that can come and steal them at night. So I cross my fingers and hope they leave some for me, but I don't like to take chances and I just plant extra in case. Fenugreek and garden cress, they grow so quickly that I sow them densely without spacing holes. I soak fenugreek seeds overnight to speed up the germination and then just scatter them over the surface. Once I'm done, I cover the seeds with a fine layer of soil, just enough to protect them. Tiny seeds need only a light dusting, as some may require light to germinate as well. Keep the soil evenly moist until the seeds sprout. Depending on the crop, you will see seedlings anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks. And just a week later, look at this. Fresh green shoots starting their journey. I just can't wait to see them grow. In the next video, I will show you how I sow seeds in trays, which are perfect for plants that need a head start indoors. I will meet you all in the next episode. Until then, please keep growing what matters. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to start. Now, if you have found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends and family who love gardening. That's how our gardening community can grow together.